Ginger, I'm starving. I need food. I really need food.
Hey, we have food. We have hamburgers. We have hot dogs.
Yes, food. Yes. Finally, a restaurant or barbecue. I don't know. But anyway, Kitchen Rush. Let's play Kitchen Rush. Two teams. Andrea and I. We're a team. We are team green. Aha. This is team red. Okay. But they're not playing with each other. No. You're playing with someone of a different team. I'm playing here. What's going to happen is here is the restaurant. Actually, two restaurants. They have hot dogs, ketchup, hamburgers, bacon, cheese, and mustard. One set here, and Lucy has also one set. Same thing, hot dogs, mustard, cheese, ketchup, everything you need. We can't see Andrea anymore. Come back in the picture. There we go. We both have orders of what we want. So we'll say, I would like a hot dog with bacon, with mustard, but without ketchup. And they will have to make it for us, okay? We'll take it. And then another student will order something. The team that wins is the team that has that has given the most food to people, okay? When we say stop, we count, and we see who has given the most food, okay? Ready? And...
Yes.
And go! Hello, I would like a hot dog with ketchup, with mustard, but without cheese.
With ketchup, but without cheese.
Okay. Thank you!
Thank you!
Okay, now imagine I'm a different student.
Hello,
I would like a hamburger with cheese, but without ketchup and without mustard.
But without bacon.
Another student comes by. Hello! I would like a hamburger with bacon, without ketchup, without mustard.
Bacon. Okay.
Oh, wait!
Are you giving me the right ones?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Now, if they get it wrong, you can say, that's wrong, okay? That's wrong.
In the trash?
No, we don't put it in the trash. We'll just say that's wrong, and we have to make it again, okay? So, you continue until most of the food is gone, or until a certain time. I'll say 1 or 2 minutes is quite a fun pace. And of course, you can tell your customers, here you go, enjoy, okay? So, hope you get it. Let's do it one more time, okay? And go! Hello, I would like a hot dog with bacon, with mustard, but without ketchup.
Here we are.
Enjoy.
I don't have ketchup.
Thank you. Bon appetit.
No without ketchup. And you say, here you go.
Here you go.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Thanks. Okay, I have it. And we continue like that. So have fun with Kitchen Rush. Bye.
Bye.